Hey Alex, I've been hearing a lot about welding inspection tools lately. Can you shed some light on what they are and how they help us?
Of course, Chris. Welding inspection tools are instruments designed to assess the quality and integrity of welds. They help us detect defect, ensure compliance with standards, and ultimately, guarantee the structural integrity of our projects.
That sounds important. Can you give me some examples of these tools and how they're used?
Sure thing. One common tool is the ultrasonic testing device, which uses high-frequency sound waves to detect internal flaws in welds. Then there's the magnetic particle inspection tool, which identifies surface defect by applying magnetic fields and iron particles to the weld area.
Fascinating. But how about visual inspection tools? I've heard they're also crucial in ensuring weld quality.
Visual inspection tools, like weld gauges and magnifying lenses, allow us to assess weld characteristics such as size, shape, and alignment. They help us catch imperfections that might not be apparent to the naked eye.